Let's discuss about the project a bit on how I will plan this project. From the next stream onwards, I will share this GitHub repository link, which you can follow. So these are all the features and the user requirements that we will follow. And since we are in the learning phase, we will be building this project slowly while learning the fundamental concepts like we will be learning concepts that we have looked before in this learning path. So we will not stop building the small challenges, but also after completing this challenge, or we understand any new concept like since we are learning about grid, I will try to implement the grid in the weather app project. In this project, we will be implementing whatever we have learned or we are currently learning. We will implement it in this project slowly. Like since I haven't moved to the JavaScript section, so I will mostly work on the CSS part, and after we move on to the JavaScript fundamentals, or we complete it, then we will work on the logical part. After completing most of the logical part, we will go to the we will learn about accessibility, and at the same time we will be implementing the accessibility things all in our weather application project. And similarly, after learning about the advanced CSS techniques like the methodologies and the preprocessors, and about the animations and the transitions, we will be implementing them into our project as well. So there will be a lot of refactoring of the code that we have previously built. So there will be a lot of mistakes and ongoing challenges that we will face every day, since it has like so many features. Like here we have 10 requirements, and these are all the numbered ones. They are all the jump uh, will not jump from 1 feet I mean that while working on a similar feature we will face many issues, so we will be we will be writing very clear commit messages in here so that everyone can follow what are all the things that we have worked on. So that's it. So from the next session onwards we will share the repository links for this project, and so you can build it with me, and I will also share the links of the articles or the videos from which I am learning before I build this project. So you can either learn through those videos if you are not aware of the subject, then come to the project, or else you can directly jump into the code with me. So let's explore the learning path a bit more. See, we will move in sequential order since we are in the responsive layouts, and although we haven't completed this challenge, but we have learned about CSS grid quite a lot, and we will be implementing on most of the CSS code and the HTML code from tomorrow onwards, and the code it will be not that what we can call dry. It can be repeatable, but I will try to I will try to implement whatever I know in the project. It's not that I know little bit about, since I am in this building responsive layouts, but if there is something in JavaScript which I am aware of, then I will try to implement that. So we will be moving in the sequential order. First we will work on the CSS part, then JavaScript part. This is the ideal journey that we will be having while we work on this project. Like first CSS, then JavaScript, then we will focus on making it accessible. Then we can refactor our code using the advanced CSS techniques. Then there will be a little bit break while we will work on JavaScript frameworks like React, and we will implement whatever small projects, challenges in here to get comfortable with. I don't mean to say that they are compulsory to learn, but learning them will give me clarity. They will give me more clarity. And the thing is, since handling two projects at a time will be difficult, so that's why these challenges that are in the learning path, I will build them for mostly learning purposes. Suppose in this after learning this state management concept, I will try to implement the state management in this product list with cart challenge, and after that I will not try to implement the grid that much. I will basically not try to polish this project. I will look at what are the basic necessity in here and not focus on making it as beautiful as possible. I will just focus on the most of the basic stuff and will upload the solution in the frontend mentor. And like that, after working with the forms, I will try to implement all the things that I have learned here in here. And after learning here, I will try to implement in our weather application challenge. So this challenge will be quite a fun, and since I haven't taken this kind of challenge, I don't know when I will be able to complete it or what will be my progress throughout the challenge, whether it will be fast or slow. I want to give this project as much time as possible, since it will be our one and only portfolio project, and rest of the projects that we will be working on the learning path, they will act as the supporting project, like this Pomodoro app and on. They will be act as a supporting project to tell the recruiter that we know how to build other of projects. Apart from the portfolio projects, we want um, one best project in our portfolio, in our resume, and rest two projects, they can be less difficulty or not that polished enough, but we want those projects to be a little bit of tricky. Like here we have a Pomodoro app. We can either include this project or we can include this memory game project, or this one we can include out of three, any of one or any of two. So I think that you have got a basic idea of how I will work on this project, and from tomorrow onwards we will start working on it. Most of the time my mic will be off because this I stay with my parents, and it's quite a lot of distractions since it is night time. So I am able to speak that loudly and clearly to you, but during the daytime, if we are streaming during the daytime, I might not be able to communicate with you. So hope you will understand. The main goal is to start this project and complete it or make progress every day. So that's it for today, guys. Let's meet in the day 14. I know day 13 we haven't really coded anything, or we haven't written any code since the 90 days coding challenge. It means that I have to code something. That's why for you let's work on some challenge. Let's complete the 10 minutes that we have left of this video. And try to implement the same.
Display gridded by putting it order -1 on there it is. It put it above
Okay guys, I hope you can see my screen clearly. We will be working on this responsive start.html file. Since our layout looks good in the desktop, we will work for the mobile layout. Let's first change this hero image and this section. Three instead of 2. Let's see. Okay, it looks good, but since our other items we haven't changed layout for them while for the mobile on the tablet layout, so that's why they are making this our this first hero layout to be overflowing of our screen. We will work on it first. And we also have to make sure that this text, it shouldn't overflow out of our card.
The actual top instead of in between. So we've reordered the actual values that we have there. At that point, we also want to show the button. So what was the button that we had earlier? It was the ARIA controls menu list. So I'm going to grab that selector, paste that in there. We're going to display block and put some margin bottom on the bottom there. So that's our menu that we have showing up. Now, because this is my mobile value, I want to hide the actual UL. So the way I'm going to do that is to select the menu, .menu, UL. I say max height 0. And the reason why this will become apparent why I'm doing this in just a second. And I'm going to transform it by rotating X 90 degrees. And what that actually does is it hides the menu for us. It has just rotated it up. And I'm going to show you how when we click this button in just a second. It's going to hide and show the different values that we want. I'm also going to put a transition on it of 0.5 seconds, transition all 0.5 seconds. Then we need to go to this button and inspect it. And when it's clicked, I need the ARIA
Okay guys, that's it for today. We will start working on the project from tomorrow onwards, and we will not be looking at any tutorials or reading any articles in the stream. I will be reading and studying about the probably before the stream or after the stream. But if there is any article or tutorial that is important to watch to complete before working on a part of the challenge, that I will try to recommend it in the stream itself. I will try to mention it in the stream itself, or otherwise while building on in our project, I will try to look at some resources. Means this will not be a complete like studying session. I will just look for revision purposes and to understand something in the middle if I forget. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. We will meet in the next stream, and I will try to stream using my mic if I stream at night, but there are also other tasks that I want to stream from tomorrow, like I will I will try to post it using I will make a small post for the YouTube, and all of you will get to know about it. So yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.